The new hall of a bamboo slip museum in northwest China's Gansu province opened on Thursday, with more than 1,000 ancient bamboo slips on display. Most of these slips are being showcased for the first time since they were discovered, including those dating back some 2,000 years to the Han Dynasty. Bamboo slips with vertical columns of characters were China's first form of books. They were the main writing material before paper. A bamboo slip or even a character on it could reveal hidden history.
这点文献上面记载的这个驿站的情况，正好勾勒出了汉代的时候从长安出发到今天敦煌的这样一个丝路东段的一个路线情况，对于确证丝绸之路的存在提供了无可辩驳的原始的材料。
The new hall of the museum will officially open to the public on Saturday. Located along the Hexi corridor, part of the ancient Silk Road in northwest China, Gansu has a dry climate, and therefore the ancient bamboo slips can be better preserved there. Latest figures show that more than 60,000 bamboo slips have been unearthed in the province, most of which are from the Han Dynasty.